Hi, this is Rhonda from FunnelWise here with another metric video tip, this time on conversion rates. First, some things you'll want to determine about your revenue funnel is if you don't have a revenue funnel mapped out already, that is one key thing you'll want to take care of. And so we have an example here of the stages that your prospects go through as they evaluate your product and services. So we've just got some common stages here: known, engaged, marketing qualified, sales accepted, sales qualified, opportunity pursuit, and opportunity closed won. So what you'll want to figure out for your sales cycle, what's the best period of time to measure conversion rates? Most people are commonly using a monthly conversion rate. So you'll also want to determine the number of records at the start of the period and the number of records that move successfully during that time period. So how many records sat in known at the start of the month and how many move forward by the end. So here's the calculation. We'll just do it for one stage. So the gray box shows 122 records, and that's the number that was in the stage on March 1st. By the end of March, 52 records have moved successfully forward in the funnel. Now, it's just not records that moved to engage. They could have moved 2 or 3 stages. So they could even be in qualified or sales accepted by now, and you count those. And so the calculation is take 52, the number of records that move forward successfully, divided by the number of records that were there at the start of this time period, 122. Take that times 100 and you get 43%. So that's your conversion rate for that stage. So we'll quickly do here the math for the next stages. And as you can see, we just kind of did some math on the side, and your conversion rates there are in the orange box. So what's great about this is you can find trends, good or bad ones, with a monthly analysis. So take the conversion rates for each stage and then do a comparison month to month. And in this chart, you'll see I took the marketing qualified stage. You typically can expect around a 30% conversion rate. And so, however, though, in November and December, there was a spike. So this is a great example of good conversion rates. And maybe it was expected due to seasonal trends. Maybe it wasn't. If it wasn't, you'd want to find out why it was successful so you can scale that up. So conversion rates provide a health check for your funnel. So we mentioned they can identify patterns and trends. It's great for establishing benchmarks for goals. So if it's 30%, how can you achieve 35%? You can also look at the records that didn't convert and find out why. And the opposite, find out the campaigns and activities that help those records convert. And then for sales, it's a great way if you compare conversion rates from sales rep to sales rep, figure out why are some doing well and why are some struggling. And then you can figure out how you can help them. It also helps you identify capacity for leads. So those sales reps with higher conversion rates, they may be able to take more leads and work them. So hope you enjoyed this metric funnel tip. I encourage you to download our cheat sheet on conversion rates to get more information. And we also have a couple other metric tips on velocity and aging that you can check out. Thanks.